Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. If you need a pre-owned SUV, we got it right here with this pre-owned 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. V6 power underneath the hood, 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin's. This thing has just about 15,000 miles on it. Premium cloth on the inside, electric driver's seat cup holders, our shifter right here. Also, we have our connectivity, 12 volts of power. Also, we have the center stack here, it's full glass. That way, you can go through all of your apps and everything else for Android and also Apple CarPlay. We have a full digital cockpit, leatherette wrapped steering wheel, and plenty of legroom in the front and also on the second row with twin captains. More of that premium cloth. Also, cup holders on the bottom, USB ports right here for USB-C and USB 3. Rear air, and there's our controls right there. Third row capable, you bet. We got the lift gate open, and also we got a little bit of storage right underneath here. So all we gotta do is put one and two. Third row goes down with the greatest of ease. Yes, it does. We can put down that second row and get even more cargo room out of this pre-owned 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo L Edition right here at Payne Brownsville Volkswagen and Mitsubishi. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.